Well, today we're going to be looking at 2017 diesel Chevy Cruze, and we're going to be replacing the cabin filter. Let's get at it. We're going to need a 7mm socket and a screwdriver like this. We open up the glove box. We have a screw over here and another. That's it. Oh, and another one down there. Let's get those two screws out. And we have down here, let's see here, should be another screw down here. We got this clip right there to take off. We undo this one right here. We've pulled this pin down like this, and then you reach up, pull the rest of it out. There you go. This cover on the side has to come off. Get in here and loosen it up, just like that. Work your way around. Now that the covers come off, we have another screw there, another screw down here. You can see there's a little clip right there. You have to snap it off. It comes forward there. And then we have to take this cover off and this cover off. Just pry your tool in here, work your way along. It comes off like that. And this will come loose. Fuse box cover comes off, just snaps off. This comes out just enough for the glove box to come out. Lay the glove box down. There's our compartment right there. Let's grab our screwdriver. We just unpop it there, open it up. Pop it on the sides. There we go. Open it up. And we will pull it out slowly. Now that the filter's back in, we will put the glove box back in and then slide this piece in with it. Glove box is in place. This one here snaps in. Snaps in place right there beside it. This big cover here snaps back in place. We snap it in here. Put these two screws back in. Two screws are in place now. Now we'll snap this cover back into place. Now we put these three screws back in. 1, 2, and the one underneath. One last thing. Put this clip in here. Where is it now? Hard to see. Goes in the hole. And push the pin in. And then you'll have her done. Take a look at this air filter. really dirty. Probably hasn't been changed for many years. It was reducing the air at least by 75%. It would only pass air through if the fan was on high, medium, low, there was no air coming through at all. So this makes a world of a difference. There you go. Clip is in, all done. We'll turn the car on and we should have lots of air volume coming through air conditioning. Perfect to go on a holiday. Hope this helped for you installing a new air filter in your cab of your 2017 Cruze. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.